Hello everyone, welcome back. Lot of iPhone users reported that they could not share screenshot, photos and videos directly from the gallery to WhatsApp because WhatsApp no longer in the share sheet. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. We start from basic. The first and basic method is turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, first we have to launch settings and tap on general. Scroll down and tap shutdown. Now drag the slider to power off, wait for couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Next, we go for solution number 2. Turn off reduce motion. For that, first launch settings. Under settings, scroll down, find and tap on accessibility and tap motion. Now turn off reduce motion if it's turned on. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Now we go for solution number 4. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first go to settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Now connect to Wi-Fi and back to settings and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 5. Reset all settings. For that, first launch settings and tap general. Now scroll down and tap reset. Under reset, we have to tap on reset all settings. Now iPhone passcode required and tap again. Reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.